reformulating the product, which is already a bestseller. What pros and cons did you consider when you decided to reformulate?
Lux White Enhanced Glutathione has been there for 15 years already. And we think it's time for improvement. There's always room for improvement. And as we always say, we want to be the best. And that's what we did right now. I think this will be the standard of the whole industry, not just in the Philippines, but the whole world or universe.
In fact, because the beauty standard before 2009 is much different from now. There's so many ingredients now that have been discovered, just like niacinamide, diba? Collagen. Before wala yan, ceramides, oral sunblock, which wala pa po noong 2009. And of course, the trend now is everything. The beauty trend now is emerging. So sabi namin we gotta like really put everything there. So inaral talaga namin ano po ilalagay namin. I want oral sunblock. I want moisturizer. I want ganito. I want skin lightening. I want liver cleansing. I want vitamin C. So inaral talaga namin yan. So again, to answer your question, no apprehensions. In fact, more of excitement. Because Lux White pa lang na as it is, sobrang effective na. What more if you jam-pack it with all the other power ingredients?
And if I may add pala, we didn't just launch Lux White Ultima. We launched 4 Lux White variants. The one na ini-endorse at the ambassador si Michelle D is Lux White Slim. That's the glutathione, but with 1,000 milligram L-carnitine, Garcinia cambogia, cordyceps, mushrooms, lion's mane. So that's 2,200 milligram, the best in the market also. We launched Lux White Renew. That's Lux White plus added barley, moringa, berries, mangosteen, combination of all the anti-aging, antioxidants that you can find. Sabi nila, that's the best, ito yung best. Sabi ko, why not combine all the best in one
everything
product?
there na. Diba that's why ang battle cry natin ngayon is bigger, better, and stronger. So yun yung ginawa namin. Lahat ng 4 major Lux products natin, super saiyan namin. Ganun ang ginawa namin.
Super size.
You know, I think what Dennis was trying to say, nag-work yung original product, di ba? Yung pag-double, yung paglagay lahat ng mga ingredients to make sure that the products are more powerful. Did you consider the possibility of creating other brands instead of touching the original, which are all working?
Dito boy, kasi ang nangyari talaga, Lux White is our hero product. That's why we call everything Lux White. You will call everything the Lux White Ultimate Collection. From the soap, to the lotion, to the future products. We will all build on that brand, the Lux White brand.
Because everybody nga they like Lux White. Lux White talaga hinahanap eh. That's why I remember nung nagpunta kami sa Tondo, nasulugan. Every time nagbibigay kami ng bigas, tsaka ng mga ayuda, pagkabigay namin, thank you, wala po bang Lux White? So tinanong ko sila, sabi ko, sa sunod na balik po namin dito ni SB, ano po gusto nyo? Bigas o Lux White? Lux White! Ang sabi ko, so bumalik kami, nagdala kami Lux White. So now, we're rebranding everything as Lux White. Renew, Protect, Slim, and Ultima. Even the soap.
Thank you.
Okay, we have John Bueno of Kumagao. Stand up, John. Is this John?
Hi. Hello, good evening. First, ladies, good evening too. Sir, our yesterday saying ko na lang i-address yung question. I'm asking about the packaging. Why it also changed that instead of just purely white, which is already working in the past. And also, sir, aside from that, I'd like to ask, is there a reason why you changed packaging? Is it because a lot of companies were copying you in the first place?
Thank you for noticing that people are copying us. Thank you. But I do believe that, imitation is the highest form of flattery. So for that, thank you. But then, we had to maximize or make it bigger. Because yung capsules natin before, lumaki siya by 33%. At pag pinagsama-sama mo na, hindi na po kasya dun sa lumang bottle ng Lux White. My only apprehension here is because the Lux White bottle has been very iconic. Lumabas na yun sa mga pelikula. Nung kinayan pa yon sa isang TV show sa Thailand. Tapos dito, lahat ng mga artista, pag nakita from afar yung puting bote na may black stripe and red stripe, alam Lux White yun. Yan yung iniinom nila. So, yun yung apprehension ko. But then again, sabi ko kay Sam, kung nagawa natin yun sa Lux White bottle 15 years ago, ano pa kaya now? Na super ganda na, super lakas pa ng gagawin natin. So, no apprehensions on that. And dahil malaki yung mga capsules, we had to make the bottles even bigger. And actually, it's heavier. Kaya sa mga distributors na nagpapadala abroad, mas mabigat po yung babayaran nyo na ano. Oo, yung packaging natin, ginawa namin, because our company colors are black, white, and red. So, we're sticking with that, black, white, and red talaga, and mas bold yun. Of course, we have seasonal colors. We have seasonal products dito po. We came up with Power Up, we came out with the Bling and the Glitz perfume. That is seasonal. Yun yung mga, pag naisip namin isa, tara gawa tayo ng pabango. Tara gawa tayo ng isa pang ganito. Pero ang talagang flagship products po natin are the Lux White Ultimate Collection.
Sir,
Yes, John.
didn't you think of suing those who copied you?
No, the ones copying us.
Yeah.
Okay lang, yan po sila. Silang, pag Google naman, if you see naman Google, makikita mo naman sila yung number 1. So okay lang.
Thank you.
We have Kate Adahar of Random Republica. Hi, Kate!
Hi, good evening. For RS, kasi na-mention mo kanina na nasasakyan nga ng business partners mo yung trip mo. Has it always been like that? And ano yung tips mo for other business owners when it comes to dealing with their partners?
Ako yung pinakamadaldal, kaya ako yung Well, actually, the thing I like with Sam kasi ever since I met him, parang alam na niya nga yung pagkakaroon ko. He knows, yun nga, I do things in a certain way. I try to influence him pa nga lahat-lahat. To the point na sometimes sinasabi niya, Aris na pagkakamali na akong Becky. Sabi ko, oh, swerte mo. Di ba? Yung mga gano'n, sabi ko, I remember, actually, Kate, I remember when we were starting Far From Tito Boy, I thought, to quote my words, sabi ni Sam, oh, we're gonna do, a company, anong colors gusto mo? Gusto ko lang black, white, and red. Ayaw mo na mga blue, budget, ayaw mo na mga ganyan-ganyan, just black, white, and red. Tapos gusto ko, hindi mo kong generic ha, ayaw mo kong generic yung office natin. At that time, we didn't have any. We only had a small space in Tomas Morato. Pero still, my vision that time, Sam, ayaw ko magpapag-generic, ayaw ko magpapag-regular. I want us to stand out like a sore thumb. Ayaw ko mag-blend in. Never will we blend in. So whatever they do, huwag natin gawin yun. There. So yun, dahil doon, si Sam, naging gano'n na rin. So yung mga ginagawa niya ngayon sa yung mga plano niya sa Manila, talagang makikita mo talaga, hindi ginagawa ng usual politician. Diba? Lahat ng ginagawa niya. Saka naman nakita na magiging spam. Pero yung spam na yun, matagal na namin binibigay yun. Nung pandemic, Tito Boy, namimigay kami, not just spam, pati Queso de Bola. We would give Toblerone, we would give Cadbury, we would give Ferrero. Yun yung pinamimigay namin kasi nga gusto namin ma-enjoy nila. Naglulugmok na nga ng pandemic eh. Tapos bibigyan mo pa ng sardinas at ng Payless. Diba? Sawa na yun sila. So, bigyan mo na ng Ferrero. At Delimondo. Ayan. Si Katrina ay...
No, siguro yung tanong ni Kate, tips mo daw.
Tips! Tips, lahat ng mga business owners, be fearless. Be fearless. Like, I remember, even ako, sabi ko, kabaong, may lamay, tapos sabi ko, si Sam, tumatakbo, may magbabash dito for sure, gagawa ng mga stories, ito na ano. But still, that drive in me, nasabi ko, no, let's push it. So, help me kausapin si Sam. Help me. So, nagpatulong ako with Versalife, it's in a field, kausapin natin si Sam, and si Sam saw that. So, my tip is, be fearless, think out of the box. huwag kang pumayag maging regular, huwag kang pumayag maging generic, and please, huwag ka na rin mangopya. Isip ka na lang ng original. Yeah. Yan ang payo ko sa mga business owners. Isip ka ng original, kaya mo rin yan.
We have June Lally and then si Gorgie Rula of PEP. Hi, June!
Hello, yeah.
Hi, John.
I'm sorry, I'm still emotional. Thank you. Sobrang naiyak kasi. Pero, syempre nakakatuwa na yun, hindi tuloy yung mawawala ng Lux White. Ayan. Pero, ang tanong ko, for Rian, Rian, hindi ka nahirapang pag-isipan na tanggapin yung offer ng Lux White? Hindi ka ba nag-isip ng mga demands? Oo.
Parang nakuha ko naman ako.
Nag-demands ka? Oh my God!
Nice answer.
Well, even before becoming an endorser for Lux White, I was already using it ever since I met Sam and he introduced me to the product. I met his front row family before I met his family. And of course, I started using the products and I saw the difference. Iba kasi yung nagpapaganda ka dun sa yung health nakita, lumabas from within. Alam mo yung iba yung ganda ng mukhang healthy. So that's what I noticed, the difference that it gave me aside from, apart from other beauty products. So yeah, I would have done it for free. So, I mean, I was already a user, so.
I was about to follow up.
Believer.
Sabi nga, June, I was about to follow up. Do you have a good contract?
I read all my contracts 3, 4, 5 times, so I have.
So this is a good one.
Yeah.
Compensation.
I'm actually compensated way beyond what the contract
That's
said.
good.
Ito lang yung Tito Boy. Yung mga compensation ko, hindi lang nakasulat.
Very good. Rhea.
Ito yan, Tito Boy.
Pero how about Michelle? Michelle, yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
si Rian ba isa sa nakapag-convince sa'yo? Or that nakikita mo that she's using it already?
Actually, no. Kasi when I joined Miss Universe Philippines for the first time, Front Row was actually the presenter. And when I won first runner-up then, the product that was mine was Lux White Slim. So I was able to get experience already. I can really vouch for the product. And now that it's bigger and better, there's no way but up from here.
Yeah, nagpapagod. Pero ito kay Sam, no? Sam, kasi ako napansin ko, you're really using Lux White eh. Tapos may experience ako with Sam nung nasa Las Vegas tayo, di ba? Before the pandemic. Nasugatan si Sam dito. Ang laki ng sugat mo, di ba? Nakita ko nagdudugo talaga siya. Pero nung makita ko siya after the pandemic, nagulat ako, Kuya Boy, no? Sabi ko, Sam, grabe, hindi ka nagka-pekla. Tapos yun nga, sabi na, kasi he's using Lux White, di ba? Ang laking tulong, di ba?
Yes, actually nagkaroon ako ng super freak accident
Yeah.
sa Las Vegas, Tito Boy. I hit my face dito, my forehead sa isang bottle. Sa kakatawa ko, napagano'n ako. Tapos biglang nakat ko kasi one of the most manifest to. So, hindi siya pinatahi. Kasi sabi ko, nakakatakot magpatahi. So sabi ko, iinuman ko na lang siguro ng mga antibiotics. Tapos ng Lux White. And yun, dinala ko sa ospital, pinadikit ko lang. Nilalagyan ko ng glue, tapos tinanong ko ng parang tape. Tapos I waited it for it to heal. Tapos you know, ang kaibahan sa product namin, we are the products of our own product.
Yes.
Kahit sa Manila, tinasabi sa akin, uy, ang bata mo ba? Sabi ko, hindi na po ako bata. 42 na po ako. 42 na po ako. And yung nangyari, malaking cut dito ko. At sa kakagamit ko kasi, I take 3 capsules every morning. Nakikita niyo yan. Isa yan sa mga ritual ko. Pag-gising ko, I take Lux White talaga. And yun, ang laking naitulong sa akin. Clear skin, younger looking skin, and nawala pati yung peklat and sugat.
Ang bongga, no? Talagang, remember nung nakita tayo.
Buti na naalala niyo.
Sabi ko, grabe. Wala talagang, tinignan ko mabuti, wala. Chismis.
Naalala mo, ako nakalimutan ko na nga eh.
Oo.
He sent me a photo nga niyan. Sabi ko, come to think it, tama nga.
Bumuka po talaga. I sent artist
Pinadala niya akong picture.
pinadala ko yung binuka kong ganun.
Yeah.
Kahit ako medyo na-morbidan ba?
Tapos sabi ko, ano yan? Papatahin mo ba yun? Pagkakaroon ka ng peklan dyan. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
There.
Actually, magkasama tayo dun sa, sa isang hotel, di ba, with Bernard. Grabe, tumutubo siya. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung, yung cat niya, di ba? Kasi hindi ka pa nagpunta that time sa hospital.
Ganito po.
Ayaw niya mag-hospital.
Takot siya, di ba?
Yung dugo ba, kulay ko lang.
Akala ko yung kamuti na.
Pero yan, congrats ha. Kasi ako nakita ko talaga kay Sam. Kasi nandun ako nung after na masugatan ka, grabe. Pero yun nga, nung magkita tayo after the pandemic, talagang walang bakas ng aksidente. Grabe. So congrats!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Actually, can I interject another story? Kasi when Sam and I first, I guess, came out that we were dating, he was already using Lux White for 13 years. So ako, 3 years pa lang ngayon, siya 15 years na. 12 years ang lamang niya sa akin. And all of the articles that came out, mali-mali yung mga age namin. I was so offended. It was Rian Ramos, 31, and Sam Versosa, 27.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Dating Sam Versosa.
So, I'm looking forward to it. In my 40s, you're gonna all write that I'm in my 20s.
Thank you. Ito si Gorgie Luna.
Hi, Gordy.
Good evening, Kuya Boy. Good evening. Congrats sa inyo lahat. Doon muna sa kasi halos ganun din sana ang tanong ko doon sa tanong ni June. Pero doon muna sa ating mga executives. Nung ilang days na yun na nga, may mga drama ganyan, may burol, na mawawala na, mamamatay na yung Lux White. Hindi ba naapektuhan yung sales? Paano yung mga distributors? Paano yung na-explain sa kanila? Alam ba nila yan, yung ganung drama or ano? Na may ganyang launch, sinabihan niyo ba sila, chill muna kayo, wala munang may susuko or whatever. Pero anong effect nito sa kanila at sa sales ng ilang days na may mga usap-usapang magsasara na raw yung front row, di ba ganon?
Actually, nung panahon nun, actually mas lalo nung lumakas yung product natin at that time kasi nalaman nila na hindi mawawala na. So yung talagang
ubusin na nila.
Yung gumagamit, nagkaroon kami ng nila last day na presyo is 888, di ba? Kaso lang, before that day, hindi na niya hinintay yung 888 bago nangyari Friday, di ba? Thursday pa lang, inubos na niya lahat. Ang dami niyang kinuha. Bumas na 300 bottles. Sabi niya kahit na 1,490. Okay na ito kaysa maubusan na. So yung sales namin at that 3 days, 4 days, lalong tumaas. Ngayon yung doon sa mga
Sana pinahaba-haba niyo pa muna kaya lamay.
doon sa mga iba naman na sinasabi na magsasara na or nagda-down sa amin. Well, although sanay na kami doon, actually hindi namin sila napansin. Mas focus kami doon sa ginagawa namin ng paparating. Doon kami lagi, yun yung sinasabi namin na tinuturo namin sa mga tao namin na front row way. Hindi mo kailangan tumingin doon sa negative kasi meron ka namang choice tumingin doon sa positive. Bakit ka titingin sa negative? Diba? So yung negative nun, sasakit yung loob mo, hindi ka makakatulog, tatanda ka, pero doon sa positive, matutulog ka. Diba? Relax ka.
Tsaka dahil sa mga bashers natin, di ba? O, di trending talaga lang yung Lux White. Pag sinerch mo ngayon, trending ang Lux White.
Popular na sa Facebook.
Popular na, pati yung front row.
And i-add ko lang kasi sa aming tatlo, ako po kasing tumatakbo sa Manila. So ang dami nating kalaban. So sinakyan din niya. Kaya nga ako yung unang tinanong ni Ares, okay lang ba Sam na ganito yung gagawin nating campaign? Alam mo, if you're confident, you're secured with your product, with your company, with your status, in what you have nothing to worry. Kahit anong sabihin nila na sasara, ang dami pang invento na investor daw. Wala ho ini-invest sa front row. Nagbebenta lang ho kami ng mga produkto. Kaya wag ho tayo magpapaniwala sa mga naninira. Nawa nga ako sa kanila kasi marami doon gusto maging kami. Kaya nga sabi ko, huwag na lang silang manira, sumama na lang sila sa amin, magpunta na lang tayo pataas kasi hindi po kami titigil. Tuloy-tuloy kami, mas pagagandahin namin to, mas marami kaming tutulungan, marami kaming babaguhin buhay at talagang mag-iingay kami at hanggang maging talagang household name na naman, lalo ang Lux White brand.
Pero, Mayor Sam, hindi na wala naman pong intention talaga ito nagsabay sa campaign mo. Kasi kahit pa paano, nakatulong din para pag-usapan.
Tito Mark, last year pa dapat to. But we had to perfect the whole concept. Pati yung the ads made by the team of Michelle Marquez D. Beautiful ads. Kaya, we had to wait for the right people, the right time, the right formulation, the right products. Dapat ano pa to, August pa to dapat. Pero na-move lang. Pero we promise our distributors, we will give you one hell of a awesome and spectacular product.
Then, next question lang. Of course, nabanggit nyo na yung contract, di ba? I'm sure wala namang problema, close naman kayo sa kanila lahat. Of course, we're waiting. Ibang contract ang hinihintay namin. The last time we talked to Mayor Sam.
Parang hindi question yun para sa akin eh.
Oo, napapag-usapan
hindi sa
naman
atin
na after the election daw, ay naman din sabay ni Mayor Sam sa campaign at lahat para hindi sabihin parang sinasabay sa kanyang kampanya kung anong plano ninyo. Pero kung ano ba ang plano ninyo, siguro i-reveal naman ninyo yan soon, di ba? Rian, do you see yourself ilang years from now na isa ka na rin dyan sa mga nakaupo ng mga executives? Ikaw na pag-usapan na ba ninyo na ikaw na ay pwede na rin mag-handle ng front row?
At ang concept nun, Gordy, binyag na.
Binyag na nga, oo. At saka may mga ribbon cutting pa siguro ng mga bagong products, di ba? Yes.
Well, hindi ko naman kailangan umupo sa side na yan ng stage anymore kasi honestly, all of my ideas or Sam's ideas also, I tell him naman whenever I think something or if I have any new suggestion or anything like that. And ayun, I mean, thank you also because he also empowers me to speak my mind and he considers my thoughts also. So, ayun, parang kahit hindi naman na ako maging part ng executives, my mind is theirs also.
Nasa kayong kontrata na sinasabi ni Gordy, I'm sure you would thoroughly read the contract.
Oh yes. I'm telling you, I read them all. So especially that one. They say there's no more important contract than that one.
Okay. And congratulations sa Ian na mataas yung pilot, rating ng pilot ng We're in Manila. Pag Saturday sa oras na yun, naka 1.5%, malakas yun.
Yes.
Same as pag Sunday, ang CIA with PA, di ba Kuya Boy? Meron din yung oras, mataas yung rating. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a stage of winners.
Kuya Moy, last question po kay Jojo Panaligan.
Hi, Jojo.
Hi,
Hi, balik na lang sa product. Siguro yung tanong ko kay RS. RS kasi, syempre, we have heard so many, the word more tonight, mas madaming ingredients. Ano ang benefit nun sa consumer? Mas mabilis ba yung epekto? At saka, can you assure the public na it's really safe kahit na nadagdagan yung mga ingredients? Kasi di ba iba natatakot na baka ma-overdose and all that?
Actually, all our products are FDA approved. It's FDA approved. And lahat ng mga ingredients, we did research already. When we say research, aside from finding out what it is through Google, YouTube, lahat, pag nakuha na namin, we take it. And I've been taking it for 6 months already. Ang ganda nung, kanina when my makeup artist saw me, si Jerry Pinaso, sabi, nag-improve na yung skin texture mo. Sabi ko, wala akong makeupan. Sabi ko, woke up like this na lang ako. So, it's a proven thing. And of course, ano ba yung products natin? Niacinamide. Google, hindi na to Lux White ha. You'll see all the benefits of niacinamide. Collagen, you will see all the collagen. You will see all the benefits of hyaluronic acid. So, that together, pag nagsama-sama, all the more, mas matindi na ngayon yung Lux White because of that.
Yes, and to add to that, the difference of Lux White to the other brands, para lang sa kaalaman po ng mga kababayan natin, ang glutathione po is a natural occurring element or sa katawan natin na as we grow old, nababawasan. That's why we continue to educate our distributors, yung mga kababayan natin na habang tumatanda ka, nadideplete yung glutathione mo. At tayo, nagtitake ng Lux White Ultima, ang difference niya is may glutathione booster po kami. Aside from may glutathione na siya, meron pang booster. So it boosts the natural production of glutathione in your body. That's the difference of Lux White. So super safe and of course proven effective na po.
Comment ko lang, Mayor Sam, kasama ka namin weekly pero hindi ka nangingitim ha. Diba? Every week tayo nakabilad sa ako and yet, yes.
Yes, ano yan, testimony naman, Lux White. Sabi ko nga kanina, we need to be the product of our own product. So, ayun po.
We can continue this conversation. Meron po tayong dinner sa kabila and may raffle. So maybe some of you can do your
Yes.
follow-up questions with our ambassadors and our bosses.